myself Abhijit Deshmukh. I had completed my aeronautical engineering in an avionics stream. So, welcome to the Elegant Education channel. Okay, so today we will be starting with the logic gates next part. Today we'll be learning something called as what universal gate. One of the universal gate, I must say. So, one of the universal gate that is called as what NAND gate. Okay, so now let us start with the NAND gate. And before starting that, in today's topic, what all thing we'll be learning in NAND gate? In NAND gate, we'll be learning its symbol, its truth table, as well as its Boolean expression. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's move to the next part. So NAND gate. See, basically, what is NAND gate? NAND gate is what inverted AND. Okay, it means what we are having here AND gate. Okay, which is been connected with NOT gate. Okay, which has been connected with the NOT gate. So together, what it will be telling? Togetherly, they will be forming what NAND gate. Now, basically what I can say for this, whenever whatever the input has been given to this NAND gate, okay, whatever input has been given to the NAND gate, fine, what will happen now? Output of the NAND gate will be given to what? To the input of the NOT gate, and the output will be what? Inverted AND 1. Okay, so now how this was happening, we'll be just seeing with the help of the circuit diagram. Okay, so before that we'll just see what all thing they want to say. NAND gate is what? NAND gate is the only gate which will produce logic 0 output when all inputs are simultaneously at logic 1. Okay, so now what does this mean? When both the inputs are low, output will be high. Okay, any other input combination will produce what? Logic gate or logic 1 output. It means what? Any other input, it will generally give you what? A high output. Okay, NAND gate therefore is nothing but more than AND gate with its output inverted. It means what? It has been connected with what? NOT gate. The circle shown in the output, or so circle shown at the output of the gate denotes the inversion. We'll be seeing that. Circle, which circle? See, they are talking about this circle. Okay. So now, as I discussed with you, so what thing we'll be learning? We'll be learning something called as what? A circuit diagram of this one. Okay. In this circuit diagram, see what all thing they are provided. We are having battery, one resistance, two switches, and one lamp. This symbol will indicate what? Lamp. Now, what is happening in this case? When both the inputs are open, it means what? When both the inputs are what? 0 0. Say this is as A, this is as B. When both the input are what? 0 0. What is happening now in this case? It is passing through this resistance and lamp is glowing. So what is my output? Output is what? What is my output now? Yes, what is my output? Output is what now? Output is equal to what? 1. Am I right? Output is equal to what? 1. Okay, now what is happening in next case? In next case, when I'm connecting, when I'm making this as 0 and 1. Okay, when I'm making this as 0 and this as 1, it means what? I had connected this B. Okay, A is what? Open. Still the output will be what? No current is flowing through this part, and what will be getting? We'll be getting output over here as 1. Next we are having what? 1 and 0. So what I am doing in this case now, I am just connecting this A part and leaving this B as open one. So what I will be getting an output? I will be getting output as 1 again. Okay, now in this case what I am doing now, I am keeping both the thing close one, means A is closed and B is been closed, means 1 1. So now what happened in this case? Now in this case, see, in this case the current will be flowing through this resistance and it will try to follow a shortest or a least resistance path. So this will be flowing through this circuit and it will complete it, whereas it will not pass through this. So what I am getting now over here, I am getting output as 0. I am getting output as 0. So let us check. 0 0 1 0 1 0, as we discussed earlier, when both the inputs are what? High, we'll be getting output as low. See, when both the input are high, we are getting output as low, as well as for rest input it will give what? High output. Okay, so now let us draw a truth table for AND gate and NAND gate A B. And what is the boolean expression for it? What will be the boolean expression for it? A dot B whole bar. This would be the boolean expression for the NAND gate. Okay, now what are the different points which to be must remember? The most important point, this is in star mark, which has been always asked in your examination. When all the inputs are high, okay, when all the inputs are high, what we can say, then the NAND gate will produce low output. When the high inputs, when all the inputs are high, the NAND input will become what? Low output. In rest combination, what we can say, the output, it will produce what? High output itself. Is it clear? Okay, so what all thing we have learned today? We have learned something called as what? AND gate. NAND gate. NAND gate is nothing but it is an inverted AND gate. Fine, whatever output we will be getting, we are seeing with the help of this circuit diagram. Nextly, we are see what is the boolean expression for this. Boolean expression is what? A dot B whole bar. A dot B whole bar. Is it clear? Okay, so with this we'll end up today's lecture. Thank you, students, and I hope you enjoy this lecture, and you will certainly like, share, and subscribe our Elegant Education channel. Thank you and take care.